Flash. Every guide dog helps someone with sight loss live the life they choose.
My name is Chris. I have Stargardt's macular degeneration. My sight is extremely blurry. Things seem to appear out of the mist, like that Finn from the Jaws film, or like the Dementors in Harry Potter. It means that I can never be quite sure what's in front of me. I went to a specialist blind school when I was 11 years old. However, I refused to learn Braille. I thought I had enough sight to carry on living a so-called normal life. I was very stubborn about understanding and accepting the condition. One of the frustrations of the eye condition is obviously not seeing things, bumping into things, but I gradually started to use technology. So the technology has changed dramatically to allow that consumption of information to really grow and almost be on a par with most other people who don't have this sort of sight condition. As my sight deteriorated, I realised I needed some additional help, and that's when I reached out to guide dogs and how I started the relationship with Varley. What Varley brings in abundance is to continue and maintain my independence. I've worked as a telecom industry analyst for over 35 years now, and I really enjoy my work. I must often say to my kids, I'm a perpetual student. I'm continually absorbing information, and I'm providing good value and advice to clients all over the world. My advice to anybody entering this sort of journey is don't worry about being stubborn. You need to be stubborn to keep pushing on through and doing new things. But the opportunities are out there, the help is out there, which will allow you to lead a very full life.
However sight loss affects you, speak to guide dogs. Visit guidedogs.org.uk